Okay, so in this video we are going to look on exactly how we made $11,100 on $2,000 ad spend. This is basically 5 times money back, basically 500% return on ad spend. Now if you're watching this video, you're probably wondering, okay, how can I, as a newbie, as someone who's watching this video right now, start having $500 or $1,000 days with ClickBank affiliate marketing? Now, you're probably thinking, okay, I want to begin as a newbie. I bought maybe courses in the past. I got screwed out of my money, and now I want to take this seriously. I want to show myself that this is possible, that I can make money online. So let me show exactly with Google Ads how you can make it. Right? Let's go straight into it. As you can see over here, right, the first step is very important. Pick offers or pick the products that are proven to work. The name of the game is proven to work on the traffic source type. Now what is traffic source type? It can be Instagram ads, could be Facebook ads. In this case we have Google pay-per-click, Google PPC, right? We are targeting by keywords. Now if you stay until the end of this video, I'm going to show exactly with Google Ads and ClickBank affiliate marketing for beginners exactly how you can scale your ClickBank offers to 100, 500 or even $1,000 per day in profit with this strategy. So let's go further. You see, targeting is very important. Now you can mix, right? You can mix different nationalities, different countries, different continents, but I'm going to show one of the secrets, right? I would pick a mix of geos, right? For example, in one tier, basically tier 1 countries, I would choose, like for example, United States of America, Canada, UK, Australia. If you're targeting Asia, you could do Hong Kong, Philippines, Malaysia, Singapore, right? You can mix those countries. Why Hong Kong? Hong Kong is English-speaking country, right? They speak English. So you're not targeting China, you're targeting Hong Kong. It's different, right? It's basically sub-tier, right? It's not tier 1 country, it's maybe tier 3 country or tier 2. Right? That's why you can basically get lots of sales and conversions from ClickBank or MaxWeb, whatever CPA affiliate marketing you're doing, right? Or revenue share, doesn't matter. Whatever offer you're promoting, it's all about targeting the right geos. Now, in the next slide, I'm going to show exactly what you have to be careful with. You see over here, right? We are targeting people with Google Ads on search. So basically, what is search? Search is when someone is typing in the keyboard on their laptop or their mobile phone device or tablet. They are typing something on, for example, how to lose weight, how can I get rid of my back pain, how can I get rid of my belly fat before I get cancer or diabetes and die, right? For example, those are just the basic examples, but those are the things that people are not telling you. The market or audience is not telling you, and if you understand your audience on a deeper level, you will exactly know, right? You will exactly know what they are looking for, and your ad is going to show up in front of their eyes when they are typing into the search box for the information or the product to buy, right? So that's why Google Ads makes lots of sense, right? Now, you can see over here, right? If you're wondering, is there a saturation in the market? Is there too many people promoting ClickBank products? No. Why no? Because as you can see over here, only weight loss keyword on Google Ads, you see, only for US, only US, not Asia, not Africa, not Europe, not Australia or Canada, only US. Weight loss, 1 million searches per month, average, 1 million. So it means 1 million people in US are looking for weight loss keyword on Google every month. Imagine this. If you only can, do you think you can get probably one sale per day? One sale for $200 per day, $100 per day on ClickBank with 1 million people searching for the solutions. How to lose weight? I guess yes, right? Keto diet, 1 million searches. Fat loss, right? Fat loss, more specific, 10,000 searches per month. So this is all average. You see, this is all average searches. It's not about the quantity, it's about the quality of the leads, right? Quality of the clicks. So you can see the big potential, right? In just the weight loss space for one keyword. Now another thing is you always have to cater, and this is the big secret. You always have to cater your ads to the local market. For example, if you're in Saudi Arabia, right, the women all will wear the Muslim clothes, right? So you need to run ads that will match the marketing style there in that continent, in that country. Yeah, for example, if you're promoting products to Egypt, South Africa, or for example Kenya in Africa, right? You cannot show white people to black people. You cannot show white girls to black girls. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't connect on a deeper level, right? You understand what I'm talking about, right? If you're promoting products in Africa, you show black people. If you're promoting to Asian girls, you don't show European girls, right? You show Asian. So it's all about the local market. It's very, very important. There's psychology over here when you're promoting different products. Now, another thing is, right, you see budget and bidding on Google Ads. I would always suggest start with at least €1.50, or let's say $2, $1.50 per day, per click, per campaign, right? Now, daily budget over here, I put €1.5. Actually, it should be €100 or €50 per day, per campaign, but per click is €1.5. Now, another thing over here is what is our biggest expense. So what is your biggest expense, right? If, my friend, if you're watching this video, what is your biggest expense? I'm telling you, it's not ads, it's not coaching, it's not mentorship or course. Your biggest expense is how much money you could be making right now, but you are not, right? I hope you're getting sense of that. Now, if you're watching this video, if you want to get the results, what you can do is you can reach out to me on Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, or email. So all the links are below this video. You can reach out to me, ask me any questions regards to affiliate marketing, Google Ads, or ClickBank. So if you're serious about making money online, you do need to have someone to help you along the way, step by step, right? Hand holding you, holding your hand along the way and show the ropes of how you can make money on the internet, on ClickBank, with affiliate marketing, promoting this type of products, right? But if you procrastinate and you're not taking action, if you're taking action, truly, I'm telling you, you can have results, right? If you're watching this video, I know you're smart enough to take action now as you're watching this video, because I know that you want to have results, right? Maybe at some other time in the past, you've experienced bad results, right? You have had some moments when it didn't work out. But let me ask you this. Have you ever went to a restaurant where you experienced food poisoning and then you made a decision and never go back to another one? Have you? Right? I guess not. So same thing here. If you want to get results, you need to have someone to guide you through step by step. You need to take a minimum of risk and leap of faith to move forward, right? To get results that others are not willing to get or even think of. Right? So you need to change your mindset regards to investing into yourself and getting results that you desire, right? At least for your family, if not for yourself. So again, if you're watching this video, what you can do next is you can connect with me after watching this video. All the links are below this video. Please don't forget now to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can get more helpful tips regards to ClickBank and affiliate marketing. So again, thank you for watching this video.